Hey guys, today I have a quick review of this 3-piece bolt cutter set here. It all comes in this nice zip up container here, and then when you open it up, all of them are going to be secured in there. So you have a big one, a medium one, and a small one. First I'll go ahead and show you the big one here. Everything is Velcro down into the case. And then we have the bolt cutters. So these things are, look at the bottom, you're getting a lot of leverage there. You have to open them all the way and then just barely closing them, barely opens and closes this. So you're getting a ton of leverage. You can adjust that as well. And you can see really, really sharp on the end there. Now the max it can open is only that right there. So keep that in mind. These are 14 inches by the way, and you have a nice rubber grip on them right there. Next up, we have the small ones, which I will get out right here. These have a little latch on the bottom that you have to release, and then you have your cutters right there. So again, you're getting a little bit of leverage here. You're squeezing a lot more than is actually being closed, and it's multiplying that force. You can see the profile of the tips right there. Little V's. And then we'll check out the mediums. I guess these are the small, sorry. These have another little latch at the top there. And you've got some smaller pair of snips right here. And these are nice and these are really easy to squeeze, pretty nice there. So check them out, guys.
Did you know there's an easy way to get discount codes for most products on Amazon? I created a website, moderndeals.net, that has thousands of daily discount codes for Amazon. Let's take, for example, this hair dryer. Click the item on my site. The coupon will auto apply. Click add to cart, and there you go. The price dropped down to the discounted price. There's thousands of active codes every single day. You can also search for individual items, for example, a dash cam, and it'll show all the active codes for dash cams that day. I'll have a link to my discount site in the description and the pinned comment. Be sure to check it out and bookmark, and let's get back to the video.